We made a decision early on as a team that the building's exterior would be maintained as much as possible. It was kind of the visual icon of the campus, and that was what really had a connection a lot of people on campus. In the area of campus that this particular building was in, it was kind of that connection that everyone had to this building and to this area of campus. So we didn't want to mess with that. We really wanted to preserve that as much as possible. Yes, it needed to be cleaned up. Yes, it did need some little minor repairs and touches here and there, but we really wanted to respect that original vision of the and look of that building. So we purposely left the exterior as it was. We were given the freedom on the interior to kind of do a little bit more, really expose things and let things have more flexibility in terms of how we were able to integrate more modern touches for the robotics group. You know, we had these two large gym spaces. So each wing of the building had two large gym spaces. And there was a lot of character there as well that we really wanted to embrace, and we didn't want to go in and holistically just hide everything. So the gym spaces have all this brickwork, all this exposed brick, you know, all of the kind of iconography that was there as part of the gym that we really enjoyed and we really wanted to express. And even the groups in the robotics research facilities, they liked it. They liked the idea of kind of having all of that there and exposed and kind of to show off what this building used to be. While it is their new home, they didn't want to lose that history either. So we did little things like there was a barrier wall in between the gyms. We removed that so that instead of having two smaller gyms, we had one really long gym space. I guess they had the ceiling that was underneath these trusses. So we removed that and then found another ceiling that we removed and exposed the trusses to really elevated the exposure inside of that gym space so that there was a lot of volume that we created that was hidden for a long time. And then, you know, once that got exposed, it really created this enormous light-driven space. We kept the original wood flooring of the gym and as many of the markings that were there. So when you walk into that space, you still see basketball floor or whatever else was in there. So we really felt like that was something that we wanted to maintain while we're upgrading it, giving it these you know state-of-the-art facilities, maintaining that historical aspect even on the interior, so that you've got those visual clues as well as iconography throughout.